In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to effectively manage your customer relationships and marketing efforts. Let's dive right into it and learn some practical steps together. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. You can do that by entering the URL into your web browser or simply clicking on the link if you have it saved in your bookmarks. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the homepage of QuickBooks. It's a robust platform that offers many features, from tracking sales to managing expenses. But today, we'll focus on customers and the marketing aspect. After reaching the homepage, the next thing you want to do is locate the button labeled Customers and Leads. This is an essential section if you're looking to streamline how you handle your customer data. Click on it, and it will direct you to a new section of QuickBooks. Here you have access to all customer-related information. You can view your customer list, transactional history, and any leads that you might be working with. It's a great way to stay organized and not miss any important details regarding your clients. Remember, having an updated customer list is vital for effective communication and management. Now, once you've had a chance to browse around and familiarize yourself with the Customers section, what you'll want to do next is click on Marketing. This is where QuickBooks allows you to coordinate your marketing activities. Clicking on this tab takes you to a suite of marketing tools designed to help you reach your customers more efficiently. You can create campaigns, track their performance, and even set goals for future customer engagement. Whether you're sending out promotional emails, launching new offers, or just trying to keep your customers informed, this feature will be your ally in enhancing customer relationships. While you are in the marketing section, you can explore different marketing strategies that QuickBooks recommends based on your business type and customer interaction history. It's like having a marketing advisor at your fingertips, offering insights that can lead to better conversion rates and improved customer loyalty. So, in summary, QuickBooks offers you a seamless experience in managing your customer relations and marketing efforts. By starting at the homepage, moving to Customers and Leads, and then exploring the Marketing tab, you'll unlock a multitude of opportunities to grow your business effectively. That's all for today's walkthrough on navigating through QuickBooks to boost your customer management and marketing strategies. Don't forget to utilize these tools regularly to maintain an organized approach and stay connected with your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial as you become more familiar with QuickBooks, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time.